In this recipe, we're making a Matar Masala, or a green pea curry. If you love peas, you're going to love this recipe. I would consider this a weeknight recipe, but you do need a little bit more time to let the first part of the mixture cool so you can blend it and get that nice, smooth masala. But if you're willing to do just a little bit more work, I think this makes a great weeknight recipe. The ingredients for this dish are fairly simple. We've got 1 onion, about a tablespoon of minced ginger, about a tablespoon of minced garlic, 1 jalapeno pepper diced up, 14 to 16 cashews, about 2 teaspoons of Kashmiri chili powder, 3 teaspoons of coriander powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, and 2 Roma tomatoes chopped up. So to get started, we're going to heat up our pan, and we're going to be using butter because kind of universally butter and peas just go together. But if you're vegan, definitely use either a vegan butter or coconut oil. Once we've got our pan heated up and the butter all melted, add in a cinnamon stick, a bay leaf, green cardamom, some cloves, and we're going to stir that up until it's fragrant, so about 1 minute or so. We're going to add in the onion and green chili, and we're going to stir that up and let it cook for about 1 to 2 minutes until the onion becomes translucent. And we're going to add in the cashews. And then we're going to add in the tomatoes and the garlic and ginger, and we're going to let that cook down for 3 to 5 minutes. And then we're going to pull that off and let it cool, and you want to take out your bay leaf and your cinnamon stick before we put it in the blender. So go ahead and let that cool until it's cool enough to blend. You definitely don't want to blend hot liquids because they could explode, so you definitely want to be careful here. Take your time, let it cool. Then add in that mixture into the blender, blend it all up really well until you get a smooth paste. Then back in your pan, heat up your pan over medium-high heat, add in that mixture, and then add in 1 cup of water and swirl it around in the blender just to get the rest of that paste out of the blender. Stir it up for a little bit, let it warm back up until it starts bubbling. Then we're going to add in our spices. So we're going to add in the turmeric powder, add in the Kashmiri chili powder, add in some cumin, add in 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, add in a half of a teaspoon of garam masala, and cook that for 1 minute. Stir it up really well. Add in the peas, stir that up, let it heat up, get the peas hot. We're using frozen peas here, so it's going to take a little bit of time, maybe about 5 minutes to fully heat up. And then we're going to finish that with some coriander, a little bit of garam masala, some kasuri methi, and some chopped up cilantro. A beautiful Matar Masala all done. Hey, not bad.